In this video, I'll show you how to overlay videos in Capcut on PC. Let's take these two videos as an example. Click on the first video, which will serve as our background. Click the plus button in the bottom right corner to add it to the timeline. Next, add the video you want to overlay on the background. We can see that both videos are now on the same layer. To make it an overlay, click and hold on the video you want to overlay. Drag it upward to create a new video track. Now, the overlay video is above the background. Then, adjust the length of the videos as needed. Move the mouse to the end of the video clip where it turns into two arrows with a vertical line. Drag it to the desired position. Click the overlay. We can use the points on each corner of the video to resize it. You can also use the scaling tool on the right side. Move the overlay video to the desired position. Rotate it if needed. Now, play to see the effect. You can also use the masking tool to create interesting effects. And there you have it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.